uncertainty. Financially, there have been a lot of setbacks for people. A lot of people have lost their jobs or their incomes have gone down. Um, there have been a lot of issues around relationship, whether it is at work or at home, because everybody is kind of all in very close proximity and we are not used to that. There are trust issues. People have health issues. So many issues. It's been a very tough year, and when the times are tough, we get stressed out. And what I would like you to do here is take a minute, and you don't have to share this number with us, but just mark yourself on a scale of 10. How are you feeling? So if you are 0, then you are very good, and if you are 10, you are highly stressed. So what number is it? You don't just make a note of it somewhere. You don't have to share it with us, but just make a note of it. And when we are stressed, our battery tends to get drained out, and our happiness tends to get drained out. Our energy is drained out, and we are not able to accomplish much in our lives or in our days. Please type Y or yes in the chat box if any of these resonates with you. If you feel you could handle stress better, please type Y in the chat box. Let us see if you would like to, because we just took a stress test. Let us see if you would like to handle stress. If you wish, you could cut down on your negative emotions. I wish I could have better control over my reactions. I wish I could improve the quality of my sleep. I wish I had fewer moments of self-doubt. And I wish I could be happier. So let us see what kind of responses have we got. There are only 4 Ys. So others don't want to be happier, or you're still taking your time to make up your mind. Too stressed to respond. Okay. So thank you, friends, for your response. Before we discuss how to, there is one thing that can help us deal with all of these issues. And but before we get to that, I would like to take a minute to introduce myself and Mindful Living. Some of you are joining us for the first time. My name is Ashish Kumar, and I'm the founder of Mindful Living. I started Mindful Living in 2018 after working in the corporate sector in senior management roles for about 25 years. And our mission is to help 1 million working professionals become healthier, happier, and wealthier. Is that a good mission to have? In times like this, when there is so much stress, and people are there are challenges around health, there are challenges around happiness, and money. Is this a good mission to have? If you think it's a good mission to have, then there is something you can do to spread the word about this, which is by spreading. We are live on Facebook also, so that link has been shared in the WhatsApp group. So you can just share the link to the FB Live in your different WhatsApp groups, so that more and more people can join us today and become happier. And when we become happier, our health improves and our wealth also improves. So we will pause here for a minute, and while you are forwarding the link to the FB Live in your different WhatsApp groups, so more and more people can join us and benefit from it by becoming happier, healthier, and wealthier. And the session today is being sponsored by InsureSure. InsureSure is a great insurance broking firm started recently by Mr. Sanjeev Gujral, a dear friend of mine, and they have done very well in a short span of time. They have insured assets of more than 5,000 crores. So if anyone is looking for advice for personal or for their companies, please reach out to them. Their numbers have been shared, and we will share them again also during the course of the session. So in the last 2.5 years, we have conducted over 250 sessions for leading organizations like Tata Group, IBM, SDFC Life, Kotak Life, CII, Swiggy, and Times of India, Airbnb, many leading organizations. So with that background, we come to the benefits of laughter. Let's spend a minute or so to understand how in these times, how in these stressful times, why should we laugh? Because it's very difficult for people to just start laughing. And so it's important for us to understand first, what are the benefits of laughter? And the laughter helps build stronger immune system. And this is very important in times like this, whenever that our immunity is up, our aches and pains reduce. And in some hospitals, they give laughter, the gas, to help people deal with their pains. The laughing gas. It helps in reducing blood pressure. People are fresh. They are more positive, alert, and there are many benefits of laughing and being happy. And we will come to the session is not about so much theory, but practicing it. So in a while we will come to that. But before that, it's important for us to understand why laughter is so important. Also, laughter is a very social thing. Uh, it's much more likely. There is 30 times more likely that we laugh when we are in a group of friends or when we are with people. So it is, or we laugh when we are seeing other people laugh. If we are alone, it's difficult to laugh. So that's the reason I request you to put your cameras on today, so that when you see each other laughing, the combined effect of the laughter is much more. We'll be able to get the most out of this session if you have your cameras on. So laughter is a social thing. It helps us become optimistic, joyful, etc. But the question here is, if there are so many benefits to laughter, why don't we laugh often? And this is where I would like to pause and hear from some of you why we don't laugh as often. So you can either put your responses in the chat, or you can unmute yourself and speak. We'll be happy to hear from you. If laughter is good for us, why don't we laugh as much or as often? Because we are busy, thank you, Ruchi, for sharing that. बहुत काम करना है तो बिजी रहते हैं काम करने में, हंसने का टाइम नहीं है. यस यस पूनम जी.
Too much of stress. मतलब टेंशन में कहाँ स्माइल भी नहीं करने होती.
Yes. The same thing I was about to say. Yes, too much of stress really has made us to forget how to laugh.
Too much of stress makes us forget. There is too much of stress. There is no time. There are many reasons. What else? Let us understand. Let's take a minute to understand what is it that's stopping us from laughing. When children can laugh 400 times in a day. As adults, how many times do we laugh? Why do we lose our capability to laugh as we grow? So, like to hear from you. We get caught up in daily routines. Thank you for sharing that, Farzeen. What else? So it's okay, whatever your reason are, laughter is a kind of facial yoga. That's great, Dr. Shilpa. I completely agree with you. That's the reason I look so young, because I keep laughing.
क्या हो रहा है अस्मा? कितनी देर से बोल रहा हूँ मैं, 4 चीज बोल रहा हूँ, एक आधे घंटे से बस खेल रही है, हिल रही है, खेल रही है, हिल रही है, क्या कर रही है?
Wow, that was nice. Let's all laugh to that. That's funny. We don't need reasons for laughing. We can just laugh. I and my wife had an argument in the morning, and we just laughed it off. So whatever is happening, you can just laugh it off. That's the beauty of laughter. So there is a rule number 6 by Benjamin Zender, which says that don't take life too seriously. मस्त रहो, हंसते रहो, इतना सीरियस मत हो. लाइफ में कुछ इतना सीरियस जैसे होना नहीं है. सब कुछ अनित्य है. Everything is impermanent. If things are going good today, it will change and it will become bad sometime. If it is bad today, then it will become good sometimes. So depending on, don't take life too seriously, be happy. That's the rule number 6. Any questions on happiness? Okay. Anybody would like to share anything? Ask anything, share anything? Okay, no problem. We will start laughing. Okay, so we will start this exercise by first doing a little bit of breathing. So I invite you to join me, and I invite everybody to please, keep their cameras open. That's how we will be able to get the most of this. First, let's start by doing some deep breathing. So breathe in and breathe out. As simple as that. Just focus on your breath, which is coming in, and breath as it is going out. And every time we find somebody who is not on mute, we're going to laugh. So if you are speaking, then you can unmute. But if you're not speaking, then please put yourself on mute. But please keep your cameras open to get the best out of this session. So please breathe in deeply. Breathe out. And as you are breathing in, observe what's happening with your belly. Is it contracting or expanding? Think of children when they breathe. When children breathe, their stomach expands. And when they exhale, their stomach contracts. If you like, you can place your hands on your belly to see if your stomach is expanding or contracting. Think of our body or belly as a balloon. So when we are breathing in, our stomach should expand. And as we are breathing out, our stomach should contract. Do that for a couple of times. And then we will start our meditation, laughter meditation. And we will start by what I call a namaste laughter. And we will fold our hands and laugh, which is namaste laughter, and while you are laughing, you can have a feeling, if you are doing this with somebody else, you can, mentally say to them that the highest in me bows to the highest in you, and may today be the highest day of your life, the happiest day of your life, and laugh. It's best done if you can stand and do it, it's fine. Otherwise, you can do it sitting. Just fold your hands and laugh.
Should we unmute ourselves, Ashish?
Yes, please unmute yourself. Please put your cameras on, and you can do this standing or sitting down. So that was the namaste laughter. So a lot of these exercises you can continue to do on your own on a day-to-day basis. The next one we are going to do is a pendulum laughter. And these are exercises that I have picked up from Mr. Jagat Bisht. You can look him up. He's a great teacher on laughter meditation. And so this is an exercise which is called pendulum laughter. And this is how we can also sway gently sway and move our bodies. So look at me first, and then we can all do this together. Take your hands up gently, and as you're taking your hands up, breathe. And as we are taking them down and taking them to the other side, we will laugh. So just look at me. So this is pendulum laughter. We will gently sway our arms, breathe as you are going up, and laugh as you're coming down. Now we'll do it the other way. I am going to the right side. So this was pendulum laughter. This is a gentle exercise just to get us warmed up. And next we are going to do a childlike laughter. Like I was mentioning, children laugh often, and they're you can tickle them and they'll start laughing, or they start laughing without any reason. So imagine you are a child, you're a small child, and children are not bothered what others are going to think of them. So be as crazy, as childlike as you can be, and don't worry if people are judging you, but just laugh like a child. Or you can imagine that you've put your finger in the electric socket, and then you're shaking, and you can start laughing. So guys, how are you feeling? There is a button on you can show your reactions, whether you're feeling happy. You can show some love if you're liking it. Very nice, Sanjeevji. Wonderful. Your hearty laughter. Very good. Yeah, so we are starting with Dr. Shilpa Jaiswal. Very nice. We are smiling. Very good.
Our son got worried what happened to the parents.
Yes. Very good, very good. Yeah, there was a point of time in my life where I laugh, because thinking that people will think I am crazy, laughing out like myself. But I have given up those initiatives now. Now I laugh. Whether my daughters think I am crazy, my wife. Very good, very good. Excellent. So, yeah, guys, even if you can't keep your cameras on, at least keep your, unmute yourself so you can hear your laughter. And we are now going to do. Someone has logged with 2 devices, so please put yourself on mute. The next we are going to do is aloha laughter. Aloha is a Hawaiian term which is used for greeting, and it's used to convey welcome, a sense of welcome, a sense of love, compassion, peace. So what we're going to do is we're going to bend down gently and then raise our hands. And we are going to say aloha as we are raising our hands, and as we are coming down, we will laugh. So you can look at me doing it first, and then we can all start doing it together. Aloha! 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 So you can join me now. As you're taking your hands up, say aloha, and as you're bringing down, laugh.
Aloha.
Aloha. Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Aloha. Wow, wow. Very nice to hear your laughter, Sanjeevji. Very nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Very.
Ashish, what's the meaning of aloha?
Aloha is a Hawaiian greeting.
Greetings. Yeah.
It's, so you say to welcome people. It conveys love, happiness, peace, compassion. So we wish happiness to each other, we welcome each other. That's
Okay,
aloha.
thanks.
Thanks
Yeah.
for asking that, Ruchi. So next one is a gentle exercise, which is ho ho ha ha. So you can look at me, you can follow me. Keep your hands up near the chest or shoulder, and as we go forward, we say ho ho and ha ha, ho ho 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 ha ha. Very good. So that was ho ho ha ha laughter. And then we're going to do the next one, which is my favorite one, which is called the milkshake laughter or the lassi laughter, So we will imagine that we have got two, glasses in our hand, which contain your favorite milkshake, could be mango shake, could be lassi, or could be whatever, And you imagine you're pouring one into the other and then the other into this, and then, we will have it. So see me, and then, we can all do it together. And once we have made the milkshake, we're going to drink it. So that was milkshake laughter, guys. How did you enjoy the milkshake? Let's hear from you. How was the milkshake? And what was it? Was it lassi, mango shake, milkshake, chiku shake? What was it? Let's hear. What did you just say?
Hi. It was strawberry shake.
It was mango lassi.
Mine was strawberry shake.
Strawberry. Wow, Mahabaleshwar.
Lovely in the morning.
Excellent, excellent. Very nice. Yes, Ruchi, what was it for you?
Yeah, I was saying it was laughter lassi and I
Laughter
enjoyed
lassi.
a lot. Yeah.
Okay, very nice, Ruchi. Wow, who else? Anybody else would like to share? What did they have?
It was a mango lassi.
Mango lassi, too much, Sachin. Very nice, very nice.
I think we should also have it in the evening so that we
Yes.
can change our drinks.
But you would not like to spill your drinks.
Now we'll mix it.
Okay.
From one glass to the other.
Yeah. Sure. So the next one is what I practice with my wife in the morning when we had an argument. So it's called the argument laughter, and these days the tendency to have arguments has gone up because we live in close proximity. Everybody has got short temper. So in this, what we're going to do is, I'm going to point finger at the other person and laugh. You did this. You said this to me. So this is the argument laughter.
This is the best laughter.
Hope this will not have serious side effects or after effects.
Will dissolve any serious side effects. You are an idiot. How could you say that to me? So this was argument laughter. And the next one is also my favorite one, which is a mobile laughter. So you imagine that your friend has called you and he has told you something and you have cracked up, so you really cracked up in laughter. So, you're talking to him on phone and he's cracked a joke and you burst out laughing. Wow, that was lovely. That was lovely. So that's mobile laughter. And then there is another very powerful one, which is called the tapping laughter. See me doing this, and then we can do this together. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap our body parts. You can tap your hands, and while you're tapping, you can tap your neck, you can tap your head, you can tap your chest, belly, you can tap your legs, whatever. And while tapping, we're laughing, So that was tapping laughter. It's very powerful when done properly all over the body. And now we will slowly start winding down. And the next one is the happiness mantra, which is called very good, yay. So most of the times we are reacting to situations in our life and pushing them away. And whenever we resist things that are happening in our life, they stick and stay. So it's very important that we kind of accept things that are happening in our life. So this one is, very good. So whatever happens in life, wife didn't make a good tea, you say very good, ha 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 ha, yay. Or, anything good or bad happens, you just say very good and accept things as they are in your life. So, very good, yay! 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 Very good, yay!
Very good. Yay!
Yay! Sachin, good to hear you. Good to hear you. Very good. You can do this as many number of times during the day, whenever you like. Thank you for that, Vicky. And now we will do a humming. So we'll now cool down, and you can do this with your eyes open or closed. Better with your eyes closed, and just hum like a black tea. Do it in an even way, and as long as you can, 3 to 5 times. may like to keep your eyes closed for a couple of seconds more and feel what's happening in your body. Continue to breathe and become aware of the sensations in your body. And once you're comfortable, you may open your eyes and share with us your experience. Before that, I would like you to take a minute, couple of seconds to score yourself on the stress check. So there was a score that you would have got when we did, this check before doing the laughter meditation. And whatever that number is, I don't need to know that number. And what is it now? What I would appreciate your sharing is how much has that number moved up. So suppose my number was 10, which means I was highly stressed when I came in. Number is 5 now, so I have moved up 5. So I just need to know that difference. You can either unmute and speak, or you can put it in the chat. How much has your score moved up by before and after the laughter meditation? Thank you for your comments, Dr. Shilpa. She says laughter is infectious, start spreading. According to science, it takes 28 muscles to make a facial frown, whereas 2 muscles to smile. So keep smiling. Very nice. 3. So Siram says it's moved up by 3. Ruchi says feeling light and happy. So there is 30% improvement for Ruchi, for Siram. And imagine, we practice laughter meditation for about 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, you can increase your happiness by 30%, so it's a very significant thing. Amit says, feeling good. Great way to start Sunday. Thank you. Sachin says it's improved by 4, which is 40%. 4 on 10 is 40%. So very good, Sachin. Sudeshna says it's 5. Wow, awesome. So 10 minutes of laughter meditation can reduce your stress by 50%. It is 5. Very nice. So 10 minutes of laughter meditation, and this recording is available on Facebook, and we're going to share it with everybody we have shared. So please spread it. By 10 minutes of practice, if you can reduce your stress levels, for Dr. Shilpa, it is 60% reduction from 8 to 2. So if you can reduce your stress by 30, 40, 50, 60%, it's a great thing, right? So very happy to hear this feedback from you. Please spread the word so that, we can make the people happier. I think that's a role each one of us can play. And I would just pause here to see if there is anyone who would like to share anything. You could unmute and speak.
Ashish ji, one thing which I wanted to add here.
Yes.
So I think this session is giving us the initiation of doing this practice, because अगर मैं ये कहता हूँ कि मेरा ही कम से कम 40% स्ट्रेस जो है वो बिल्कुल इस 10 मिनट के सेशन में चला गया है. So consistently, if you will do individually at your home, with your family. So I think by day to day, this number will get increased. This is what I wanted to add.
Thank you so much, Sachin. Really appreciate it.
And Ashish, what I want to comment is that means in addition to easing your mental faculties and all that, I think I noticed that it works on your muscles also. You can start feeling the sweat. Yeah. So it does work on your physical
Yes.
aspects, the muscles as well. So in fact, I was really kind of wiping the sweat from my forehead, and I can feel my arms and all that, the sweat.
Yes.
Yeah.
What you're saying is backed by science, Sanjeev ji.
Yes.
So after we practice meditation, our muscles are relaxed for 45 minutes. So that's a very powerful way to relax. Nagra shares, thanks for reminder to practice laughter. Yes, please. Yes.
Ashish,
Yes, Anshuman.
yeah, I would like to share one thing, that though it starts with artificial laughter, we feel that it turns out to be genuine one after some time.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and moreover, it is contagious. When
Yes.
we see others laughing,
Very-
automatically we start laughing.
Yes.
Very true, ma'am. Very true, very true.
Yes, 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 yes. Very well said. I think that's an important part, very important things shared by Anshu ma'am, that initially it feels as if it's fake, but as we get into the, as we keep practicing, it starts becoming genuine. And
Yes.
the best part is,
And
our
it gives
brain
you
does,
a feel-good factor.
yes, it gives the feel good
Yes.
factor.
Feel-good
And-
factor.
Yes, and the brain doesn't know the difference between fake or genuine. The benefits of laughter are as much, whether it is we are faking it or it's real. So that's pretty much it for.
Ashish,
Yes.
in fact, I want to share, the statement you made, we don't take life too seriously. So I think all of us, I can say for myself, yes, we take life too seriously. But yes, we started it with just the, normal laugh, and actually I laugh, and it gives so much of relaxation and everything. Yeah. So thank you so much.
Very, very well said. Very well said, Neena ji. Laugh away all our troubles. We should just laugh. Just keep laughing, and we will feel lighter. Situation will not change, but our approach will change.
आशीष हर फिक्र को धुएं की जगह हर फिक्र को हंसी में उड़ाता चला गया.
Wonderful. Yes.
Ashish ji, I think one more thing which I wanted to add here, that कि जब हमने ये session कर लिया है, so I think post this session, nobody leave the smile from their faces, right? Because the reflection of that will create the wonderful journey in their life. Because अगर हम हंसेंगे तो हमारे स्माइलिंग फेस को देख के बाकी सब लोगों का भी मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली उनका रिफ्लेक्शन भी अलग ही हमें प्रेजेंट होएगा.
देखिए आपने बहुत अच्छी बात कही सचिन, because we all impact other people, we impact people around us, and it's like a ripple effect, and we make people around us happy, and then it just keeps expanding, and we make the whole planet, and we raise the happiness level of the humanity.
And Ashish, this reminds me, I think everybody must have heard about this book by Dale Carnegie, which is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Yeah.
Yes.
So one of the very strong recommendation in that book was to keep the smiling face when you are kind of talking to people and all that, and it does attract. It is contagious, obviously, and it does attract a very positive interaction with the people around you. Yeah.
Yes. See, we all
I would
naturally.
like to say something.
Yes, yes, Anshu.
That we always quote our Western writers to say something or to prove something. Why don't we look into our own scriptures? जहाँ पर कहा गया है सत्यचित आनंद. आनंद हमारा क्या है? Natural self है.
That's
हमारा true self है. तो
No, so madam, it was not to score any point. I mean, एक book जो मैंने पढ़ी थी, I just quoted. It just reminded. और बाकी अगर कुछ और है तो you can always.
I don't counter.
and
I'm
yes.
just putting up कि हम हर अधिकतर this is the tendency, हम Western writers को अधिकतर quote करते हैं. आपका कहना बिल्कुल ठीक है, अपनी जगह बिल्कुल ठीक है, लेकिन हमारे scriptures में शुरू से ये कहा गया है कि हम तो आनंद स्वरूप हैं. जब हम आनंद स्वरूप हैं तो हम उस आनंद में क्यों नहीं रहते? हम क्यों बार-बार बड़े सीरियस हो जाते हैं, टेंशन में आ जाते हैं? अगर हम उसमें रहने की आदत बना लें, then it will become our nature.
Very true, ma'am. Very true.
I mean to
very
say
true,
that.
ma'am.
I don't want to counter you.
So true. Yeah.
No, agree. Very true, ma'am.
So, friends, we'll pause here to have your feedback. The feedback form link has been shared in the chat. It will take you less than a minute to fill out the feedback form And some of you who are joining us for the first time, if you would like to continue to participate, in the future events and have information about future events, you can share your number with us. You can let us know in the feedback form, and we will be happy to invite you or share information.
Ashish ji,
Yes.
Ashish ji, I'm the one who is newcomer.
Yeah. Welcome, Sachin.
Yeah.
So these are our details. You can connect with us on social media also. And once you have filled up the feedback form, please type FD in the chat box so that we know you have given us the feedback. And like to open the session for any final comments or questions that you may have. So we are also sharing the links to our social media in the chat. So if you would like to stay connected with us for information about future events, you can click on the links. We've also shared the link to our YouTube channel where the recording of all of the previous events is also available. So you can go and click there. And any final comments, questions, we'll be happy to take. Thank you, Dr. Sandhya. Our next session will be on financial peace, which will be on 24th at 12 noon. So please block your calendars. Thank you, Sachin. And I would also like to thank everybody for joining us today. It's a wonderful day for us. Really grateful to you for taking out time early in the morning on Sunday and joining us. If you have any questions or comments, please say. Else, feel free to move on. I understand you would have time to spend with family also. And as you're moving out, maybe you can just say, very good, very good.
We
Yay!
can
Very good. Yay.
Yay! Very good.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you,
good.
everyone.
Yay!
Yay!
Very good. Very good. Yay!
Thank you so much, Ashish ji. Thank you so much for giving
Thank
this
you,
wonderful
everyone.
session
Smile
and
on
very
everyone's
useful session.
face.
Thank you, Sanjeev ji.
Thank you.
I think, Ashish,
Thank
you brought a smile and laughter on everybody's face.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, Anshuman. Those who are leaving can do yay! Make some noise as you are leaving. Yay! Yay! Thank you, everybody.
Good morning, Mr. Ashish. Thank you very much.
Morning. Good morning. How are you, sir?
You made the day the best.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And I would like to add one thing, Mr. Ashish. You have undoubtedly made a very positive day, and that has really made our immune system also strong, which is very much required nowadays.
Correct.
And, the default immune system really goes off very well with the positive hormones which are getting released in the body. So laughing is not that it's just simple laughing. It is also a medication too.
Correct.
I agree on it.
Laughter is the best medicine. You know that. Yeah.
And you made it the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Yay.
Thank you, Ashish.